With the looming electrician shortage in the United States, students studying to be electricians have a huge opportunity to be successful. The need for electricians is expected to grow by 20% between 2012 and 2022, according to estimates by the United States Department of Labor. Yet the number of young people obtaining electrical licenses is in drastic decline. Graduates of Surry Community College's Electrical Systems program have a bright future with an abundant job market due to this demand. An electrician's average pay is around $50,000 annually.
The electrical industry will have a huge void, or does have a void now, in the fact that our licensees are aging out. I encourage you to come to Surry Community College and take the electrical courses, and then go out into the field working for probably an electrical contractor for a while, and then hopefully opening your own business. There's going to be a great need as our industry is aging out. Contractors all across the state are begging for people to come to work.
I decided to go in electrical systems technology because I wanted a good paying job. It was steady work depending on what field of it you went into, and I enjoyed the work hands-on, outdoors and such. The reason I like that my teachers come from understanding and working in the field that I'm taking this course on is because I like that they have knowledge of it already, that they can explain stuff and have innate knowledge of how it works. So they can give me real-world reasons how everything works together.
Graduates of the Electrical Systems program at Surry Community College qualify to do most anything in the electrical field, such as electrician, industrial plant maintenance technician, electrical engineering assistant, renewable energy consultant, or solar panel installer. For more information, go to www.surry.edu.